Hi, I'm Judy Granley Gates, and my husband Joe and I own Joe Gates Construction in Poulsbo, Washington. We specialize in higher-end custom builds and full-scale renovations and remodels, pretty much gutting a house and starting over. And 90% of our work is on the waterfront. We've been in business for 33 years, and we've always done pretty well. Like any contractor, we've had great years and we've had not so great years. But we were tired of working so hard for the profits that we were seeing. And we knew there had to be a potential, and Aspire offered us the opportunity to sort of take a bigger look at that and see where we could improve. The Big 8 was huge, and profit leaks. A little backstory, I actually went to an Aspire workshop 4 years ago, and we didn't sign up. And I went home and said, oh wow, there's all these things that I think we have some profit leaks. And we started plugging them, and our numbers went up about 3 points. But I knew they could go up more. So when I saw the information again for Aspire, I thought we need to revisit this and the Big 8 and the profit leaks and how we were accounting for labor burden. Those were huge eye openers for both of us.